In this guide, I'll show you how to fix it when you can't join online multiplayer games on the Xbox Series S or X. So from the Xbox home screen, select Settings in the top right corner. Then from General, scroll over, and we're going to select Online Safety and Family. Now from here, select Privacy and Online Safety, Xbox Privacy, and then you want to set it to Custom, and we're going to go to View Details and Customize. Now from this page, you can scroll down and select Communication and Multiplayer, and where it says you can join multiplayer games, you want to ensure that this is on Allow. And if you're playing with friends on different gaming platforms, make sure this is on Allow as well, and then you can press the Xbox button and go home. Now what we're going to do is scroll up and select My Games and Apps, and then scroll down to Apps and scroll over, and you want to select Xbox Support. Now from this page, select Xbox Status in the top right corner, and if there's any limited or major outages, that could be your problem as well, in which case you'll just have to wait for that to be resolved. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.